Hey y'all, I'm Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. This week I tried out Imperfect Foods because so many of my friends have been talking about this. So it's basically an online grocery store. They're selling produce and other overstocked goods at a discounted price because it would have otherwise gone to waste. So it didn't go to the grocery store. You pick what you want each week and they send it straight to your door, which I'm obsessed with. Very convenient. This is not sponsored in any way, but I wanted to share with you my experience since I really actually enjoyed it. It saved me money and it helped me eat vegetables, which we know is always a win. Hey y'all, so something really exciting just happened. I got home from work and my Imperfect Foods box is here. I'm not affiliated with them. I just signed up through somebody's code who had it and got some money off this box. So what I'm about to show you, I paid for with my own money, and I spent $42 and it came straight to my door and I'm really excited. So I haven't even gone through it all, but I'm gonna show you everything and you pick everything out. So it's not like they send you a box of random food. They have vegetables, produce, meats, bars, cheeses, tons of stuff at a great price. You can compare with your grocery store, see what Imperfect Foods has for a better price than your grocery store, order it, and it's awesome. And if you spend $60, you get free shipping, something like that. And I did spend $60, but I got $20 off by signing up through a code. So I'll link the link how to sign up below if you're interested in something like this. Sort of like a produce grocery box that comes straight to your door, but I'm excited to jump in and show you what I got. So I picked out some of these Nature's Bakery bars just to throw in Morgan's lunches. My lunches have as snacks, things like that. So I picked up the brownie ones and then also 2 boxes of the oatmeal crumble. Oatmeal crumble in apple. So I got 2 boxes of those. I feel like, Morgan, are you excited about these?
Yeah, I bet that oatmeal apple one's real good.
Yeah. And 14, I thought it was grams of protein, not grams of protein. 3 fiber though. Okay, so I also got a can of coconut milk. This was just on a good deal and I really love coconut milk in smoothies. That is a trick my dietitian shared with me in a recipe and it's seriously like Smoothie King. I'm obsessed. Picked up some blueberries. Those were really inexpensive. A bag of green beans. Everything was inexpensive. I mean, I spent $42 on this entire box. I got 4 zucchini. They came in packs of 2. Mind you, this got delivered this morning at 11 a.m. and everything is still cold. Love that. So 4 zucchini. I got several Roma tomatoes. I think it was like a pack of 6. Some of them aren't quite there yet, but we've got some great Roma tomatoes, a couple bell peppers. I think it was supposed to be a yellow and an orange. These both look orange, but that's fine by me. Might be a 2-pack of each, I can't remember. Oh, orange and green. So I got 2 green ones. You can see they're kind of on the tiny side, but they were on like literal super sale. Oh, one more bar. Strawberry. I don't think I meant to order 2 of the apple, but that's okay. We're gonna have a lot of bars on hand. Love that. Also, we got some onions. I think it came with like a pound of onions. So I got a pack of yellow onions because that's usually what I prefer to cook with. I also got a pound of Pink Lady apples, which I'm excited to have. We've got lots of peanut butter on hand, so that'll be great. Picked up some grapes. These were a really great price, and grapes at our grocery store, any grocery store near us, I feel like you can't walk out of the store with less than $8 of grapes. Like, you just can't. Grapes are really expensive, so I was very excited to pick up these. These are just red seedless grapes. Then, okay, this is exciting. This butter lettuce, this has me cracked up. It just came like this, just straight up laid at top of the box. I think that is hilarious. So I'm definitely gonna be eating that here soon. I also picked up these potatoes. I picked up 2 packs of the yellow, of the baby yellow, and then also 2 packs of the red. So we have lots of potatoes. I'm excited about those. What else? A bag of carrots, cheaper than my store. These are really cheap in general, but these are great for cooking. I have a couple Cajun recipes that use carrots, so I'll dice up some of these pretty fine and put them in my freezer for that. Also picked up a squash. I think this one came by itself, possibly. More tomatoes. Yeah. And then I think the last thing I got was some of these dark chocolate caramels, sea salt. Yum. I needed it. I mean, how can you say no to that?
No?
I don't like it. Mm-mm.
Oh, wow.
It tastes like chalk.
Love it.
Yay, I'm glad you love it.
It's so good.
You guys, we're back because I missed a whole part. I was thinking where I was like, oh, yeah, let's make a snack. And I was like, wait, I ordered cheeses from here. So that is not all I got for $42. This is about to get really exciting, okay? So I got these little Gouda, how freaking cute are these? These little Gouda snacks. Picked up those, 70 calories each. I also picked up this block of white cheddar, organic white cheddar. Huge block of that. How good does that look?
Oh, yeah.
That's gonna be good. What is this? Oh, I'm excited about this. I've been wanting to try this and never do because I just feel like it's expensive at Target, which is where I always see it. It's the Bitchin' Sauce Spinach Artichoke. So I haven't actually seen anybody eat this one. They eat like the original. But I thought it couldn't hurt with some carrots or something. I feel like that would be really good. I might have to try that here in a minute. And then the last, okay, this is the last thing, are some of these flatbreads, which we love for pizzas. This will be great for a little roll up, anything like that. You can see a wrap here. Maybe I'll surprise Morgan and do like a ham and cheese wrap instead of a sandwich one day.
Yeah, that could be good.
That could be good. And these have 6 grams of protein. They're vegan, and one whole piece is 120 calories. So that's exciting.
It's a lot of bread for 120.
It's a lot of bread. How many come in a pack? 5. You get 5 of these flatbreads. So we might be doing like a pizza night or a flatbread night one night.
That would be bomb.
Yeah, like a, make some shredded chicken or something. We could do like chicken style. You could do like buffalo chicken with some of that white cheddar.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
That would be really good.
Drizzle a little sauce on there.
Mm-hmm. And I'm thinking I could do like a vegetable one with some chicken. Ooh, the ideas are endless. So this entire, I mean, can y'all see how this whole thing of produce plus all this extra stuff I unloaded? Wild. I even did a comparison with buying this exact stuff like to the pound would cost at my local store, and it was like $68. I paid $42, and that didn't include the coconut milk, the chocolates, the bars. I just did the produce. It was crazy. So check it out. I'll link it down below. If you want to give it a try, you can get money off if you sign up with somebody's code. That's what I did. Highly recommend. And I think it's money off over like a couple of boxes, which is cool. So like you don't just get a discount on your first box, you get a discount on a few. Then if you give somebody your code, you can get, I think you get money towards your next box or something like that. So anyways, I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. And I feel like this is really gonna force us to eat more vegetables because now we have all these veggies to use, and I'm excited to meal plan with them. I've already come up with some ideas and see what we create. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So if y'all have been around my channel for any amount of time, you have probably seen us make these Mongolian garlic beef and rice bowls. We're obsessed with it. We use this sauce we found at Target that we're in love with. Put it on some ground beef. We usually put it on some rice and then just add like zucchini on the side. This week I did zucchini, added some of that pepper to get some of that used up. I put some in the freezer. That's what that little baggie is for. And then I used that butter lettuce and made like lettuce wrap cups, and it was delicious and so fun, and it seemed like much more of a filling meal. I'm obsessed. So definitely check this one out. You literally just saute your vegetables, use whatever seasoning you like. We use this like magic Paul Prudhomme seasoning on literally everything. It's so good. A little soy sauce on the veggies. Cook up your beef with the Mongolian garlic sauce from Target. Serve it with some microwave rice because we keep it easy here and it's delicious. All right, y'all, this is dinner that we made. So we made the Mongolian beef that we always do with rice. I put mine in these little butter lettuce cups with the Imperfect Foods lettuce. God, that was hard to get out for some reason. The Imperfect Foods lettuce. Zucchini and some bell pepper that we seasoned up with some of that poultry seasoning and soy sauce. A little bit of jasmine rice. Topped it with sesame seeds. I mean, I already feel very much inspired by these boxes, and I feel like I'm upping my veg intake, which y'all know if you've been around is really hard for me. Veggies are not my favorite thing. So I'm pretty pumped about this. I'm gonna go eat. Okay, y'all, tonight with the Imperfect food box, I got all those green beans, washed them, trimmed off the ends, and seasoned them with salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, that's the pepper, and some of the ranch seasoning. I also got some of the red potatoes, and I put those in the oven already. They've been in for 20 minutes. I'm about to throw in these green beans, so let's check on those. Looking, ooh, really good. Here in the Instant Pot, I have 2 frozen chicken breasts, a cup of chicken broth, seasoned with a little salt and pepper, and this poultry magic, which I love. So that is gonna be dinner for tonight. I do it manual, on sealing, of course, manual for 15 minutes, and then I let it sit for 15 minutes, and then it's done. So it takes about 30 for the chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna pull these red potatoes out, and we'll dump the green beans on there. All right, I realized that was a horrible angle. So we just scooted these over. As you can see, some of them already getting nice and golden. So I'm gonna flatten those potatoes out a little bit, dump the green beans, and we're gonna let these go for 15 to 20 minutes, just until they're all done. And we like our potatoes extra crisp. I did them in these little wedge shapes this time instead of like cubed like we usually do, just like regular diced. So we're keeping it fun with the shapes, keeping it interesting. I am really excited. This is a super simple dinner. All right, y'all, dinner is served. We got green beans, potatoes, the chicken from the Instant Pot. Morgan's about to make his plate. This was so simple and easy. It did take about 40 minutes, but most of that is just cooking time. It's not really prep time. I'm pumped. Another great meal. I'm really excited to start shopping for my Imperfect food box next week. Yep. All right, y'all, tonight we're making nachos. I cut up one of the green bell peppers and half of the orange, as you can see, so those are for me. We've got some lean ground beef, some cheese. I also cut up a couple Roma tomatoes, just like the outsides of them. I'm gonna serve this with some jalapenos and sour cream. Another easy dinner with the Imperfect Foods box. All right, y'all, here are my nachos. Did a couple chips, few peppers, sour cream, tomatoes, jalapenos, and I am so excited. All right, that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if you try any of these recipes and what your favorite easy weeknight recipe is. We're always looking for easy recipes that me and Morgan will both love. So leave them for me in the comments down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.